Hello and welcome to today's video. This is my last attempt to try and salvage any kind of lawn from this garden. So it's full of weeds and moss, and today we're going to try and sort this out using some topsoil, some lawn treatment spray and some seed. Now the strange thing about this job is I'm just paid to come in and cut the grass once a month for the customer. But unfortunately, he is not bothered at all by how it looks, but it's my own little personal battle with this lawn. So let me know in the comments, would you just carry on and just do as you're paid? Or am I right to have a little bit of personal pride and want this garden to look as good as it can? So obviously, to start off, just going to cut it all down, get it as low as we can, ready for the seed and soil. So I'm just going to spray it now, mainly on the moss areas with this lawn friendly weed killer. Apologies for the wind as well in this video. It's extremely windy on this day. My phone actually fell off the stand a couple of times as well. So as you can see, this is the worst area for moss. It is just a bed of thick moss in that corner. So although I've now done a couple of videos regarding lawn repair and trying to fix the moss problems in a couple of lawns now, I'm still really new to this type of work. So if you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave the comment and let me know what you would have done, and is it worth my time and effort as well. Okay, so that's done for the first day. Obviously a bit of topsoil over the seed, and we'll be back in a month's time to see the results. Okay, so 4 weeks later, obviously sun's out, a lot better weather for a bit of gardening. So we're just going to have a look now to see the results. I think overall it looks slightly better in the centre part of the lawn, but it's still heavy with weeds. If you enjoy these type of videos, please subscribe to the channel. I try and upload once every week, and make sure you hit the like button as well if you're enjoying this one. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the results. So as you can see, there is some huge cracks in this ground. You can't win, it's either too wet and full of moss, or the ground just opens up. As you can see, that corner's still heavy with moss as well, with different patches around different areas of the garden as well. So what I decided to do is just rake them areas out as much as I can. So I'm just going to collect all the moss now, reseed again for next time. But I think overall it's not done a bad job. It's certainly not made it any worse, and obviously no charge to the customer. So I'll try and do regular updates to this job. I personally think it should just all be relayed turf, but we'll carry on fighting against it and see what we can do. Thanks for joining me as always, and I'll see you next time.